Hello, family explorers! Welcome to Porter's RV Sales, where cozy adventures and unbeatable value await. We're excited to showcase a one-owner 2018 Keystone Montana High Country 375FL fifth wheel, weighing 12,435 pounds and stretching 41 feet. This spacious camper, built for comfort, features the 375FL floor plan with 4 enormous slide-outs, sleeping up to 6 in warm, inviting style. Radiating warmth and packed with family-friendly features, this fifth wheel is ready for your next group getaway. Hop aboard for a delightful tour to uncover every cozy detail of this versatile treasure. Let's start with the exterior, where the 2018 Keystone Montana High Country 375FL impresses with rugged durability and charm. Its sleek fiberglass exterior, complete with a rear cap, is designed to handle the elements, making it a standout at any campground or scenic overlook. At 41 feet and 12,435 pounds, it's crafted for stable towing and easy handling. The all-season protection, rated to -14 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures year-round comfort, from snowy retreats to sunny escapes. Dual entry doors with strut-assisted solid fold-down entry steps make access easy for all ages. This fifth wheel is built for countless family adventures. The exterior is brimming with practical features to simplify your camping experience. An oversized front pass-through storage compartment offers ample space for camping gear, outdoor toys, or family essentials. A power patio awning and slide toppers all around create a shaded, welcoming space, perfect for outdoor meals or relaxing with loved ones. The one-touch 6-point hydraulic level-up system ensures quick, stable setup, while a fiberglass rear cap with a backup camera and plug-in vehicle monitor makes towing and parking effortless. A 50-amp service with a detachable extension cord and battery disconnects supports all your electrical needs. Powering your adventures is seamless with this fifth wheel's reliable systems. Dual 15,000 BTU whisper quiet air conditioners with heat pumps keep you comfortable in any season, from scorching summers to chilly winters. The 50-amp service ensures efficient power for appliances and entertainment, making family camping a breeze. These systems, paired with the all-season protection, make this Montana High Country a versatile choice for year-round family adventures. Step inside, and the 375FL floor plan opens into an inviting retreat, perfect for family gatherings. 4 enormous slide-outs create a spacious interior that sleeps up to 6, ideal for families or groups seeking cozy comfort. The layout features a king-size bed in the elevated front master bedroom, 2 large pull-out sleeper sofas, and a dual recliner love seat in the elevated rear living room area. The rear living area is a cozy haven, with a 50-inch TV, electric fireplace with heat, 2 sleeper sofas, and a dual recliner love seat, perfect for family movie nights or relaxing together. The warm cabinetry and durable finishes create a home-like ambiance. The large middle dining and kitchen area is a family-friendly delight, designed for easy meal prep. It features a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop and oven, a microwave, and a residential sink with faucet, with plenty of counter space for family meals. A table dinette with 4 chairs offers a comfortable dining space, perfect for board games or planning your next adventure. The private bathroom is a standout, with a big shower enclosure, glass doors, skylight, toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan, providing a refreshing spa-like experience for the whole family. The elevated front master bedroom is a serene escape, crafted for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, wardrobe closet, and small side closet with washer-dryer hookups, washer-dryer not included, but can be added for an additional fee, offers comfort and storage. The slide-outs create an open, airy feel, enhanced by warm window treatments for a cozy, inviting vibe. The king bed, sleeper sofas, and recliner love seat provide flexible sleeping for up to 6, ideal for family vacations or group getaways. Let's spotlight what makes this RV a family favorite. The 375FL floor plan, with 4 slide-outs, offers a spacious interior for 6. The all-season protection and dual entry doors ensure accessibility and comfort in any weather, while features like the hydraulic leveling jacks, dual ACS, and oversized storage add practicality. The electric fireplace, large kitchen, and spacious bathroom elevate family-friendly comfort, making this fifth wheel a standout choice. Imagine hitting the road in this 2018 Keystone Montana High Country 375 FL, exploring state parks, lakeside campsites, or mountain retreats with your loved ones. Picture cooking family meals in the spacious kitchen, cozying up by the electric fireplace, or unwinding in the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This fifth wheel blends home-like comfort with the freedom of the open road, creating a warm retreat for your family. With its one-owner history, every trip will create cherished memories. Let's dive deeper into why this Montana High Country is a top pick. Keystone's thoughtful design shines in the durable construction, spacious layout, and practical features like the backup camera and dual entry doors. The all-season protection ensures comfort in any climate, while the large storage compartment makes packing for family trips effortless. From the theater recliners to the oversized bathroom, this RV is built for family fun and relaxation. Let's revisit the exterior's practicality. The oversized front pass-through storage compartment offers unmatched organization for family gear or outdoor toys. The power patio awning and slide toppers create a welcoming campsite, while the dual entry doors and strut-assisted steps ensure easy access for all. This fifth wheel's rugged design is ready for any family adventure. Back inside, the rear living area's charm deserves another look. The two sleeper sofas and dual recliner love seat create a perfect spot for family gatherings or unwinding after a day of exploration. The 50-inch TV and electric fireplace add warmth and entertainment, while the four slide-outs enhance the open, inviting feel. This layout balances family-friendly comfort and practicality, making every trip a joy. Why choose this Montana High Country? Its blend of spaciousness and versatility is unmatched, with features like the large kitchen, all-season protection, and ample storage that make family camping effortless. The 375 FL floor plan offers plenty of room for 6, while the durable construction ensures reliable towing for any journey. Ready to make this family gem yours? This 2018 Keystone Montana High Country 375 FL is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed fifth wheel with a one-owner history. Reach out at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a viewing. The Porters RV Sales team is ready to get your family on the road. Thank you for joining us for this family-friendly walk-around of the 2018 Keystone Montana High Country 375 FL. Explore more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 4 slide-outs, king bed, and versatile features, this fifth wheel is a must-see. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2018 Montana High Country 375 FL. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see your family hit the road in comfort.